Hi guys, Greyson here. Today we're going to jump on a trampoline with our new fidget spinners.
They're not new, right?
Yeah, they're just new.
We just got them.
Yeah,
And new shoes.
yep,
And
and
school is over here.
yep,
And the work is not here just yet.
yep. It's in October 31st or 30th. So let's jump.
Spin on fidget spinner.
Yep.
Help my stop because I touched it.
Let's do a flip. I'll do flip.
My turn. I'm going to put mine in my underwear. Wait. Good one, right?
That's good. But you can't touch mine. Am I right?
We can just not play with fidget spinners. Let's play with fidget spinners.
So this is my new one. It's very cool.
It's not brand new.
I meant new.
It's
Right?
not brand new yet, Greyson.
It's new, right?
We got it on our school day. School's up.
It was about 3 days ago.
And we're not taking these to school, you know that.
I know. These are just like 3 days old. These are kind of new.
Because we celebrated our birthdays, right?
Hmm?
We got the birthdays. The birthdays, because mine's 4. Yours is
29.
I'm 4. You know, and he likes spinning on my head a lot.
Oh, you're 4?
I'm 4.
No, you're 5.
No, mine's 4.
You're on your birth?
Oh, we have to have them, they're same numbers, right? So mine's 5, and I'm 5. I'm just trying to spin it on my nose now.
I'm 9, and the number's 9.
You're 9. I was have to tell you. I was have to say, you're not 9, you're 8.
I'm 9.
I was have to tell you that. It feels like that. You know what? After we can go this way. Wet under them.
Okay, so we got our new fidget spinners, and I'm going to jump one more time. And
They're not brand new, Greyson.
yes, they are.
Not now.
Okay, that's it for today, guys. See you next time.